Oh, I thought I said that was the front.
No, you said that was the
Oh, did
front.
I? Oh, sorry.
That's your back one. That's the back.
Yeah.
That's the front. Today we've got Taylor in for driving test. Tell him what time, Taylor.
2:32.
He's doing it in his own car because he feels safer in this one, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, he drives it better than mine. He had his lesson last night and drove like a Boyd racer. His mum's turned him into Lewis Hamilton here. Right, go on and off you go. Have any questions?
None.
I didn't shoot. This car coming over. No, at the end of the road we're turning left. What's that noise?
I'm not sure. It just ours, does it?
Does it?
Yeah.
Is there anything you want to do again?
Just anything you'd recommend us to do?
The only thing I'm worried about is, if you have to correct any manoeuvres and you don't look, and there's a car coming, you're going to feel straight away.
Yeah.
And just your right blind spot. You do drive this car a lot better than mine, and it's not as fast. But obviously, you make good progress today when it's safe, don't you?
Yeah.
You can get your foot out on the country roads and that when it's safe to do so.
Yeah. You don't need to indicate if you're going past a car, do you?
No, you used to be taught. I was taught to indicate.
Yeah, my mum said that.
You what?
My mum said that you have to indicate, and I said
At the end of the road left.
you don't, because it's something like people might think you're indicating to go
Into a junction.
like into it. Yeah.
What did your mum say to that?
She was just like, alright, like I must know, so like as I'm learning, so she just took my word for it.
You're alright, you don't need to indicate.
Thanks.
Well, if you're positioned just left the centre, everybody knows what you're going to do, don't they?
Yeah.
Now if I was moving from the left, if you're on a 2-lane dual carriageway or something, and I was going to pass a parked car on the left,
Yeah.
yes, I would indicate, but not on roads like that. If it's going to come fuzzing somebody, don't stick it on, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
DVSA only?
Yeah, that's the people who take you for tests, right? Oh well, reverse into that bay there for a seat.
Yeah. You're putting a lot of pressure on us making us do it in front of all these.
Why,
Can I go into that white box there?
Why, hi. Of course, absolutely, all day. When you look over them shoulders, look, there's a brush in there. What's he doing?
I'm close up to this side.
Close up to this side.
So can I pull forward?
No, just keep going back and then put a bit right hand down.
Whereabouts?
Yeah, that's it. No, well, you'll have to go focus. You'll not be able to get out there, will you?
Yeah.
Right, look over your left shoulder also.
Yeah.
Ignore him. Better.
Now I'm a bit close that side.
Well, that'll do for me.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
That'll do. Now remember, turn your car off. Do you use two hands to put your handbrake on?
Oh no, I don't know why I did it there.
Yeah. Well, it's time to wish Taylor the very best of luck. There hasn't been any serious faults, has there?
No.
There's been a few minors, what for?
Mirrors mostly.
Mirrors changing direction, meeting situation. What else is there? Not checking blind spots. You've got a really good chance. I'm going to go. Are you going to pass or fail?
Pass.
How many minors? How many driver faults, I should say. That's what the experts say.
0.
0? Oh,
Gotta
well.
have high expectations.
Well, you go for a
yourself.
young man. I'll be buzzing if you do that. I'll go for 2 driver faults. Because I'm feeling a bit confident today. Right, Howard, let's go and see the examiner. Have any questions?
I've got none.
Well, we're back off test here with my main man, Taylor.
Taylor.
Tell him what you've done.
Passed my test first time.
How many driver faults, minor faults?
2, wasn't it?
What were the 4?
Driver judgment and
Control, steering and
steering.
meeting situation, wasn't it?
yeah.
How many faults did I see at the start?
2. You're right.
How many do you see?
0.
Big thank you to his mother for taking him out for the private practice. And who else took you out?
Bit of everyone. My gran.
Your gran and his gran. How is it? Let's go. What was the examiner like?
Very nice.
Was he
Very
not
good.
really
Yeah.
nice, wasn't he?
Yeah.
What manoeuvre did you do?
Reversing.
Parallel park or beer park?
Reversing behind the car.
Parallel park. Good, well done. You must have done it first time, did you?
Yeah.
Struggled with that before, didn't we?
Yeah. Just before it came out, actually.
What a star. You're my hero now, aren't you? When you're ready, then let's go. It's now worse waiting for the last one, is it? Just stop it, just stop. Go further forward.
Out there.
Just let this one come in.